Okay guys, this is the next template that we're going to populate. Now luckily I already have this in a separate Excel file, so all I'm going to do is import this into our document. Now you can see that a lot of the data types in here are exactly the same as our original. So when we have this section down the bottom just here, we have time out of house and the times are expressed as a normal time format. So we have 8:30 and we have 17:30. But the difference is here at the top, where we can see that the hours worked are expressed as decimals. So we have 7.5 instead of 7:30. And then this over here at a guess, if we look at the formula, is just a sum. That's just it, F2. Yeah, that's just a straight sum on these cells across here. Okay, so the simplest thing we need to do is get this into our current working document, and that's very easy to do. We're just going to come down to the tab at the bottom where it says Sheet 1. We'll hit the Move or Copy. So we're just going to left click. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say Create a Copy. And because we've already got our other workbook open, we're just going to hit the little down arrow. Now we could move it to a completely new workbook, which funnily enough would move it to a completely brand new workbook. Or we can move it to Timesheet and Expenses Master, which is the one we're working in. So we're just going to select that and we're going to hit OK. And now we have our Timesheet and Expenses Master, and we have Sheet 1, which is our data entry screen. In fact, let's just change the name of that to Data Entry. Sheet 2 is our timesheet, so we're just going to hit rename and say Timesheet. Keeps it nice and easy. And we're just going to drag this one, which is our expenses sheet. We're just going to left click, drag it over and put it at the end, and we're going to rename that one too. So I'm just going to click rename and call it expenses. Enter. So there you go. Now we've imported our data. We just need to have a look at what we need to change in the data entry screen to make it populate this, but using a different format. Okay, see you in the next lecture.